Finding the courage to change. Don't have to react. I have a habit of reacting. I react all day to everything that happens. I react to the news. I react to my family members' choices and behaviors. I react to my employer and my coworkers. I react to strangers. I react to my own life challenges. I feel like I am constantly on defense. Not long ago, I was introduced to an idea that surprised me. I don't have to react. I didn't know that I had a choice about it. I should make signs and post them everywhere. I don't have to react. I always have a choice, and I can choose peace at any time. Right now, I'm a guest at a friend's house. I'm up early, and their dog is in his kennel. He's been whining and whimpering for an hour. I know that he's just fine, and I know that he doesn't go out this early. I don't have to react. This noisy dog is a problem that brings a gift. He gives me the opportunity to consciously choose not to react. I know that I don't want to reward his noisy demands. I can choose to block out his whining until his owners get up and take care of him. I could sit here and resent the dog's behavior, or I can choose to enjoy the gift of focus that he brings me. I can shift my focus to the beautiful day, the sunshine, the mountains, and my cup of coffee. I know that what I focus on expands. It's easy to fall into my habit of reacting. But developing good focus is like exercising any muscle. I practice noticing my reactions and shifting my focus. I don't have to react.